Hi, I'm Matt Muenster, home improvement TV host. And for years, I've helped homeowners transform their homes. But now it's time to focus on mine. This is an exciting day. I've been dying to replace these windows for years, and it's finally happening. I went with Renewal by Andersen because I wanted the full service experience. And I got it. We had the design consultant out here that helped me pick everything out. Tech Measure came to measure and make sure everything was gonna fit. I even got to go to the factory and watch these windows get made. But today, they go in. Matt Boersman and his team are here for install day. Matty B.
What are you doing, man?
How are you?
Yeah.
Big day.
Big day.
It's install day. All right, what's the plan?
We're gutting your windows right now. We've actually got one big one gutted over here.
Yeah.
We're gonna bend up some metal, tip your new frame in,
Yep.
and get on with trimming.
How'd that one go?
We found some interesting things. There was some ants in your sill. We vacuumed those up and replaced your sill for you.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
But none of these two projects are probably exactly the same.
No.
Windows come in all shapes and sizes. How do you train to do this gig specifically?
As a certified master installer, we take some classes to learn how to be able to tackle any situation for a homeowner.
Right.
Yeah, you make sure everything's going to fit before you gut stuff. Just try to keep it as pleasant of an experience for the homeowner as possible.
Let's talk about that a little bit, because this is kind of why I went with Renewal. The big challenge is, right, getting the homeowners comfortable, getting them to trust you, doing what you say, following through. So tell me about that service.
We want to make this install as smooth and as easy as possible for the homeowners.
Okay.
And we respect that this is your home and we want to take good care of it. We take all of our garbage when we're done and we try to leave the house cleaner than when we got there.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Dude, you're good at this. You could work for any company you wanted to. Why are you wearing a Renewal by Andersen shirt?
Thank you. We pride ourselves on our product and install. I love working for a company like that. We're here for you.
Yeah.
For as long as you have the windows.
Every step along the way. Yeah, I feel you, man. All right, I'm in the way. Go do your thing.
Right on.
All right.
Cool. Thank you, Matt.
Thanks, man. So this is why you hire full service. When you knock a hole that size in the side of your house, it can be a little anxiety ridden, even for a guy who's a contractor who's done this before. So hire the pros, fill the hole correctly. This is like a well-oiled machine back here. And they say most jobs can get done in as little as one day, so it's exciting to see this all come together so fast. Looking good, guys.